Something that all exceptional traders have in common is knowing when to be aggressive and knowing when to be defensive. So a lot of traders come into the stock market thinking that they need to be aggressive every single day. They just had a great trade, now it's time to be aggressive again and go for the next big move. And it just doesn't work like that, right? The trading day provides opportunities, but not every opportunity is equal to another, right? So today I might have a great opportunity set up, a A+ setup, it fits my trading style, and it's time for me to be aggressive. I take advantage of it, I make whatever the case would be, let's just put an example on it, I make 20,000 on this trade. I was aggressive, I waited for this move, it fit my trading style and it was an A+ setup. Now, tomorrow comes about, right, the trading day doesn't look A+, it doesn't look exceptional like I had on the previous day, which was yesterday, and I had an A+ setup yesterday and I took advantage of it. Today, it doesn't look like it's fitting my trading style, it doesn't look like there are A+ setups, and I need to know that I need to sit back, be defensive. If that means lowering the amount that I'm putting in my trades, then that's what it means. But it also means that it's okay to sit back and not take a trade. So a lot of you can't do that, so what you need to do is to make sure that you size down so you don't blow all the profits you made the previous day or the previous week, and plus some. So a lot of you end up being too aggressive. You get on a hot streak for 2-3 days, you're up a very significant amount. You have not done this before. You're like, the hot streak's gonna continue, I'm gonna go for it. And what you end up doing in one day is blowing that previous profit you had, and plus some sometimes. So knowing when to be aggressive and knowing when to be defensive is one of the most important things in the stock market. It's okay to be aggressive, right? Sometimes you put or risk a lot more than usual, but that's just because you had that A+ setup that you haven't seen in a while. It fitted your trading style, the market sentiment was in your favor, and the next trade you need to understand you can't do that every single time, or you're either, you're gonna blow your profits for sure. You might blow more than your profits, and sometimes it might result in blowing your account because you get, too aggressive, too confident in your trades because you had a hot streak. Knowing when to be aggressive and knowing when to be defensive is the number one characteristic you should focus on, or top 3 characteristics you should focus on as a trader, because this will save you from the bad days and this will help you and benefit you on the green days, because you know when to be aggressive and you could take advantage of it, versus someone that's always defensive or always aggressive, and then he runs out of money because he's always too aggressive on the wrong days, and then on the green or the great A+ and the great market sentiment days, they can't take advantage of it because they're so aggressive on the previous days where it was so bad that they lost all their money, or they can't afford to be aggressive anymore. Don't be that guy. Be aggressive on the days that you need to be, and be a defensive a majority of the days, so that when those days come by, you can take advantage of it and make the most out of it.